Imagine standing at the doorstep of Ramadan, feeling its weight in your heart, yet realizing you are not fully ready. Your days have passed in routine, and suddenly, the holy month is almost here. What if this year could be different? What if these few precious weeks before Ramadan could transform the way you connect, pray, and feel peace? Sha'ban is not just a month we pass by. It is a gift, a chance to prepare your heart, soul, and mind for the blessings ahead. Today, I want to share 5 essential deeds you can embrace in Sha'ban that will carry you into Ramadan with purpose and devotion. First, reflect on your intentions. Life pulls us in 1,000 directions, and our actions can lose meaning when our hearts drift. Take moments each day to sit quietly, even for 5 minutes, and ask yourself why you do what you do. Are your deeds meant for fleeting satisfaction, or do they bring you closer to Allah? A small, sincere intention can turn a routine act into a powerful, soul-refreshing worship. The heart that renews its purpose will enter Ramadan shining, ready to embrace every prayer and fast with depth. Second, reconnect with your prayers. We all face distractions, exhaustion, or busy schedules. Sha'ban offers a gentle reminder to prioritize your salah, to pray on time, to feel the words, the silence, and the peace that comes after each bow. Even if you struggle, take one extra prayer each week, or lengthen your dua, whispering your hopes and fears. These small steps build a rhythm, a spiritual readiness, so that when Ramadan begins, your heart naturally flows into worship, not out of obligation, but desire. The third deed is giving with intention. Charity does not need to be grand. A small act of kindness, a helping hand, a smile, or a donation can cleanse the heart and awaken compassion. In Sha'ban, begin to train your generosity, not only with wealth but with time, energy, and patience. When Ramadan arrives, giving becomes a joy, not a task. Your heart will expand, and every fast and every prayer will feel connected to the lives you touch. Fourth, seek forgiveness and let go of grudges. Sha'ban is a bridge of mercy. Carrying anger, resentment, or guilt dims the spirit. Write down what weighs on you, make peace where you can, ask forgiveness from Allah and others. These actions lighten the heart and make your fasting and worship more meaningful. Entering Ramadan with a clean slate magnifies every blessing and turns your spiritual efforts into a deep, heartfelt experience. Finally, increase remembrance and quiet reflection. Use Sha'ban to speak to Allah in your own words, to meditate on your actions, and to thank Him for every breath. Even 5 minutes of focused dhikr, or sincere contemplation each day can transform your mindset. The small seeds you plant now will grow into spiritual strength, patience, and gratitude that carry through the long nights of Ramadan and beyond. Sha'ban is not a month to pass by unnoticed. It is a chance to prepare, to strengthen your heart, and to step into Ramadan with intention and love. Commit to these 5 deeds, even in small ways, and feel the difference when the first fast touches your lips. Your effort now shapes the blessings you receive later. Let this be your year of mindful devotion, peaceful prayers, and sincere generosity. Like this video if it inspired you, share it with someone who needs this reminder, and subscribe to continue nurturing your soul with guidance and hope.